Hello guys, um, tonight I'm going to show you how to use VBA Autofit so that you can avoid manually adjusting your columns to the text. So I'm just going to go into our Excel workbook and we demonstrate what we are trying to achieve. So let's just say Monday and Tuesday. Alright, so what I mean by adjusting manually the columns is that as you can see here, our text has overlapped from our column A to column B. Yeah? So now you will have to adjust the column so that it fits the text, and this is what we are trying to avoid. Yeah? Okay, let me just give you another example. Friday. So as you can see here, again, our column B is too big for our text, and then now you'll have to do this. Yeah? So meaning now and then you'll have to manually adjust the column so that it fits your text, which I think it will be something that is tiring to you, and we can show you how to avoid that. Yeah? So alright, so you just come down here where it says sheet 1 or whatever the name that you have given to your sheet name, and then you right click and then you go to view code, then you click under general, click, and then you choose worksheet. Okay, so now you are going to type in our code. It's going to be cells dot entire column dot auto dot entire out. Okay, cells dot entire column dot autofit. Yes. Alright, so now we can just minimize this and see how our worksheet or our workbook will look like. Okay, so we're gonna type the same text. Okay, Monday and Tuesday. Okay. So now you can see as and when you type the text, the column adjusts automatically. Like you don't have to manually come here and adjust the column. So we're gonna give just what we did in the beginning. So Friday, yes, you can see our column B column is too big for our text. And then you see it has adjusted automatically to the text. So yeah, that is what we mean by using VBA Autofit columns. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and comment on the comment section so that we can assist you if there's something that you don't understand.